What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, the Subie fam. You got your boy B Cabral and Emmy here today. And she's gonna be banging gears in the STI. I'm a little nervous, but she knows what she's doing, so let's jump into it. Oh shit. Sitting in the passenger seat of my own car. Seatbelts. Safety first. Heading on a little date night. It's a fiesta. It's some Mexican food. Love Mexican food, you already know. Making it pop a little bit. Woo! You drive this thing so good. Thanks. Credits to me. Alright guys, the funniest part about her driving my car is how close she sits to the pedals. So every time that I get in, I don't fit. It just doesn't work. But yeah, she's been whipping my car because hers, something happened. She had a 2017 WRX Limited, super clean. The interior, everything was nice. 36k miles. 36k miles. We went to go do the first oil change, and we realized it had a Nissan oil filter. If you're a Subaru person, you know that's a fat L. Didn't work out so well. We got rid of the car now though. It's out. She's looking for something else, which is sick. What are you looking for, babe? What are you thinking?
Well, I have to keep my options open, but I really want a Series Gray.
Series Gray?
Or
that would be sick.
Some type of special edition STI.
Some type of special edition, maybe Type RA or Series White.
I also really like the old hatchback STIs.
The hatchback STIs, yes, that would be sick. Oh my god, that would be so sick. I could see you whipping that, no?
Yep.
Oh my god, I love that.
Either that or also the new 2022 WRXs seem pretty cool.
Yeah.
But they're ugly, kind of.
Right, they are kind of ugly.
The only thing drawing me to that is the interior.
Yeah, the interior is sick. You get the big, massive screen.
Right.
You'd love that, and obviously it's brand spanking new, so
yep,
that would be sweet. We'll see.
Yep, keep my options open.
Keep your options open, yeah. So if you'd get an STI, you'd probably only keep it stage 1.
Yeah, maybe. Depends. Either that. I like the cosmetic stuff.
More cosmetic stuff, so probably bag it or something, lower it at least.
Right.
With some rims.
Well, fun for me. You like the stuff more.
Right. I like the power more. You like the looks.
Okay.
Even though Subie, I'll eventually start doing a little bit more look stuff.
Not necessarily. Like, I like this car. I just don't think I would want to daily something like this.
Yeah.
It's a little too much for me.
You don't need all the power, you're saying?
Yes.
Gotcha. Go. Literally starving. We're almost there.
Almost there.
Almost there. We're here.
Oh my god. Okay, friends, so we just came from our dinner. Right now we're headed to catch a movie. You know, typical dinner, date, and movie date night. right.
Notice how I'm driving now because Emmy had a bit too much to drink at Fiesta.
Nope, not too much to drink, just a drink.
Alright everybody, thank you for watching the video. That was my fiance with my 2018 WRX STI with 295 wheel horsepower. She's not the biggest fan of the power. I am, I love it, I'm ready for more. Make sure you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. Drop a comment and let me know your Subie experiences, and if you have any detonation in your life, that'd be an L. But yeah, thank you and stay tuned for the next video. Subie fam out.